Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the oil and oil filter in this 2006 Honda Accord LX. Procedures will be similar for most Accord models from 2003 to 2007 with a 2.4-liter engine, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Chock the rear wheels, then lift and support the front end of the car using a jack and jack stands. Find the oil fill cap and remove it. Locate the oil pan and place your drain pan under the oil drain plug. Use a ratchet and 17mm socket to loosen that drain plug. Remove the drain plug the rest of the way by hand and let the oil drain. Once the oil slows to a drip, use your filter wrench to loosen the oil filter, which is directly above the drain port on the oil pan. Remove the filter the rest of the way by hand and let any oil left in the filter run out into your drain pan. Make sure the old filter gasket came off the block with the filter. Once all the oil has drained, use a shop towel or rag to clean the filter mounting area, drain plug, and drain port. Install a new crush washer on your drain plug and thread it into the port by hand. Use a torque wrench and 17mm socket to tighten the drain plug to 33 foot-pounds. Use some fresh engine oil to lubricate the O-ring on your new oil filter. Spin the oil filter on by hand until the seal lightly seats against the block. Once it's lightly seated, give the filter 3/4 of a turn to secure it. With the drain plug and filter secure, return to the engine bay. Add 4.4 quarts of 5W20 motor oil. Since our specific car has over 75,000 miles, we'll be using Syntec Full Synthetic High Mileage. Once the oil is refilled, replace the oil fill cap. Remove the drain pan from underneath the car. Remove the jack stands, lower the front end, and remove the wheel chocks. Now find the oil dipstick, remove it, and use a shop towel or rag to wipe it off. Insert the dipstick again and check it to make sure the oil level is within the safe operating range indicated on the dipstick. Before closing the hood, start the car and let it run until it's warm. Check under the front end for any leaks. Turn the engine off and use the dipstick to check the oil level once more. If everything looks good, close the hood. To reset the oil percentage reading and turn off the maintenance light, turn your key to the on position. Press the select, reset, or trip odometer knob repeatedly until the oil life percentage is displayed. Press and hold the knob for about 10 seconds until the display starts to blink. Take your finger off the knob, then press and hold it again for about 5 seconds. The maintenance light should go out and oil life should reset to 100%. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.